Welcome to our room in Zeavola. There's Betsy. She's happy to be here, maybe. As a Thai tradition, you must come in and take off your shoes and wash your feet. And this is our room. Yes, Cindy, it is open. Here's our desk with a mini fridge. We'll go to the bathroom first. And this is our bathroom. You have a shower stall, a sink, which Betsy was worried about the sink only being outside, and then your toilet. Have a sink outside with a mirror to get ready in the morning. We have blinds that you can close to keep everything a little more private. We have Betsy sitting out here, annoyed because she wants to be walking around. And here's the bedroom. And yes, Cindy, it's totally enclosed and air conditioned. Now at night, you have to shut your door and you have blinds. We even have a TV. Imagine that. Living on a deserted island and having a TV. Mosquito netting. A desk where Betsy's already closed off so we can't see neighbors. Hi, neighbors. I don't think anyone's ever in their rooms around here. I think they're always out at the beach or doing other things. And then a wardrobe with, of course, never enough hangers. And some drawers and shelves. And a place where a cockroach can find itself back in Betsy's bag again, like it did in the hotel in Phuket. And that is the quick tour of our room here. You can see there's some pathways behind that I don't think anyone walks on because they rake the sand and there's no footprints. Oh, and as I lied, there goes a guy going to the pool, which the pool is over in that direction. So there we go. That would be our room in Zeavola in Thailand. Oh, by the way, in the first video, I missed this. Another sitting area and a shower.